Hello guys, you are welcome back. On this video we are going to be talking about PixelLab interface. My name is Son of Man. So I'm going to be dividing this video into 4 different parts of this video. So to make it more easier to understand, we are going to making the video more shorter, thereby dividing the video into 4 parts. For the introductory part of PixelLab, for people getting started with PixelLab, you don't need to worry. This video is going to be a very easier one to follow up. Okay, so let's get started. When you open your PixelLab, this is what you must see. This is the interface you must see first. Okay, and then
before we proceed, don't forget that we are on Create Visuals in Pixel here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe with us and turn on your notification to stay updated on our next video. So let's get started.
To get started with PixelLab, all you need to know is to understand the basic tool you can find on your PixelLab. Okay, this tool, then this one here, this one, and these tools that you can find on the top of your screen here. Okay, the moment you get to understand these tools, what they are used for, and how to get started with them, then the easier for you to understand how to edit or design using PixelLab. Okay, on this video I'm going to be discussing these 3 tools that we have at the bottom of our screen here, and then I'm going to be talking about as well the tools that we have at the top of our screen as well. Okay, I'm going to be dividing this video into 4 different parts. The first one is going to be talking about the text tool. Then the second one is going to be talking about this second tool here, that is the shape tool at the middle. And then the third one is going to be talking about the background tool. Then we have the fourth one here, the effect tool. Then the last one is the template tool, and then we have the ones at the top, which I also will be talking about in this video. So let's go into the first video. Let's get started with the text tool. See you there.